Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic REST commander tutorial how to rotate viewport. So you can go to sheet tab and in it we have the default viewport. You can click and you can resize the viewport, or you can create new viewport by pressing M view command, press enter and I will create here. Now if you want to rotate this viewport, you can type rotate, press enter and then select the viewport, enter again. Now specify for the base point, I will click in here and then you can rotate the viewport like into 45 degree and press enter again. You can use move tools to move the viewport. Okay, that's it for basic REST commander tutorial how to rotate viewport. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.